Here is a new HeartX tutorial video. Today's video will be showing users how to log in as a new user on the 1.2.0 version, how to unlock a TIX on the HeartX Web and app version, and how to upload your first work with it. As a user who understands the basics of Web3 and has a MetaMask or HeartX wallet, we recommend starting with the web version where you can easily connect your wallet and start your journey in HeartX. To the average user that doesn't have any Web3 experience, we recommend starting with the app version. HeartX helps you create an account with a wallet, or you can even create one with your email. And not just that, but HeartX is welcoming all HeartXers to upload your art and showcase your artistry to the community. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to get a TIX for free and upload your work on the HeartX Web or app. To give you a better knowing of what a TIX is the required ticket or pass to upload an artwork on HeartX. It rates at 15,000 HeartX for one normally, but in August, as the new version is released, HeartX has offered one free TIX after finishing the task required as mentioned earlier, and also dropped down the price for 1 to 7,500 HeartX per TIX. Check our Twitter post and Notion page for more about this announcement. Starting with the web version, open your web browser and go to heartx.art. Click Connect Wallet and connect your MetaMask or HeartX wallet. After the wallet is connected, go to your profile and click Edit. Start the first step by changing your profile name and changing your avatar or profile pic. Next, click on Binding and continue with binding your email and binding your Twitter. Click on the message icon and a system message about TIX received should appear. Click Upload to verify TIX received and start filling in your work's information. Add some specific points or more details about your work on the presenting the effect picture option. Finish filling up the rest and submit. Remember, recheck everything before submitting. There will be no editing options after upload. And that's how you upload with the web version. Make sure to keep following our Twitter and Discord for more upcoming events and rewards. Start uploading now, and may your work win the most HeartX index. In this newer version, it also provides an email login option, but we will show you the creating wallet process for this one. First, log into your HeartX account or create one if you're a new user. Set your device's login password. Remember to keep your private key safe and never let anyone have access to it. After login, go to your personal profile and 1. Change your profile name. 2. Change your avatar. 3. Go to Settings, click on Account and Security and bind your email. 4. Bind your Twitter. 5. A system message stating your free TIX will appear when clicked on the top message icon. Start uploading by tapping on the message or clicking on My Artwork and pressing on the plus sign. Fill up all the required information and upload your work into the HeartX ecosystem. Let it pass through the HeartX vote system and have the opportunity to earn by selling your work. And that's how simple it is to use HeartX. Create or log in account. Finish task for free TIX. And upload your work. Start uploading now, and may your work win the most HeartX index.